Hey guys, today we're going to dive into a topic that has the power to change your financial future. We're going to unlock a secret for you to help you grow wealth through investing, but you're going to have to stick around a little bit anyways to hear what that one is.
And picture this, you are in your 20s, your 30s, your 40s, your 50s.
Why are you pointing at me? I'm not 50. Not 50.
Yet. And you are wondering, how can I grow my wealth? You might have heard about two investing strategies, dividend investing or growth investing. Which one is right for you or for me or for us? This is the million-dollar question, my friends, that we wanted to answer today.
And the really quick secret that we're going to let you in on is both. That's the secret that not everybody tells you. It's okay. You can combine both of these strategies, and we're going to show you exactly how to do that in order to grow your wealth today.
Let's start by dissecting dividend investing. This strategy involves companies who pay dividends to their shareholders. This is a great strategy for those who are close or near retirement because you know that this is a great source of passive income. I'm gonna give you a pro and also a con about dividend investing. The pro is you know when you are gonna be receiving your dividends. Usually it's every 3 months that you're gonna receive the dividends, a quarterly dividend. But the con though is those companies are already mature, meaning that most of their growth, they already occurred.
Yeah, like all those big fancy blue chip stocks that we sometimes talk about, right?
Yeah.
They've already grown, so there's not a lot of growth left in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. But growth investing, on the other hand, is where you're looking for those stock opportunities that are really going to appreciate over time. Many in the FIRE community choose to go with global or total market ETFs. This provides immediate diversification and kind of takes some of the volatility out of single stock picking away from it, right? But just like dividend investing, there's a pro and there is a con. So the pro is that you're really going to see that capital appreciation from your initial investments, kind of unlike dividend investing, right? However, the con is that it's going to take you some time. So it's not going to be, you're not going to see the payoff as quickly as you might with dividend investing with those monthly dividends coming in. Your capital appreciation and capital growth could take a little bit longer.
100%. And do you know what is our secret? I'm gonna tell you right away. Our secret is actually both.
We followed the secret.
Yeah, we already told you the secret. This is not a secret at all. We consider ourselves hybrid investors, meaning that we do have investments on dividend stocks, and we also have investments on growth stocks.
Yeah, ETFs.
Or ETFs, that's exactly what it is, right? And how does this actually happen? If you have been following our journey to financial independence, every month we come here and we share with you the amount of dividends and distributions that we have received. You are gonna see that as we do record this video in September 2023, on average, we are receiving around $4,000 per month on dividends and distributions. However, we also have growth ETFs on our portfolios, meaning that we are not concerned about receiving that amount. What is important for us is their growth.
Just for example, we hold in our portfolio ITOT, XAW, and QQQ. So those are the three that we're holding for growth.
They do pay dividends though, but the amount, oh yes, perfect. They do pay distributions though, but the amount is quite minimal. Okay.
Yeah. So we just wanted to give you 3 quick tips in order to help you guys kind of jumpstart your dividend/growth investing journey. So tip number 1 is get started. Your money isn't going to grow, your wealth isn't going to accumulate if you sit back and do nothing. So pick an account that's going to be appropriate for you and your lifestyle and put your money in it and start investing. Tip number 2 is to make sure you do your research into what you're investing your money into. In our case, we use 5i Research. It really gives us access to a lot of data as well as a community to bounce some ideas off of. But your local library is also a great resource amongst
channel?
YouTube.
Maybe
But
channel?
this is not financial advice, just so
No.
you're aware.
No.
And tip number 3 is just stay consistent, because the market's going to go up and down. You're going to have some highs and lows, but if you're consistent in your dividend or your growth investment strategy, whichever one or both you choose, you're really going to see those payoffs down the road.
And this is the real secret, my friends. It's actually, in our case, it's not dividend investing, it's not growth investing. In our case, it's a combination of both of them. We know that if you follow our journey, you know that in 2024 we are going to be stop working and becoming financially independent. It does mean that we do need the dividend income, which is going to help us, to pay our bills. But we are going to be, based on our projections, living until 100 or 95. I don't know if this is going to, you have to subscribe to our channel. You can follow our journey until you turn
could you
95.
imagine us at 95 on YouTube? That would be something.
Yeah, so we do have growth ETFs, which is going to support us along the way, right?
And that's really it. That secret isn't such a secret. If you combine both of those, what you're really doing is diversifying your investment strategies, just like you should be diversifying your investments within each of those strategies. So that's it. It's not a great secret, but it's one that we really think is going to help you jumpstart your path to financial independence and grow your wealth.
Yeah, if you are interested, take a look at the playlist, because as I did say at the beginning of the video, every month we come here and we share with you the amount of dividends and distributions that we have received. And there is also a link on our website where you can see from the beginning with extra graphics and everything.
He loves his graphics.
I do love it. Why don't you?
Yeah.
I
So,
hope that you do.
yeah,
Sorry.
that's the video for this week. We hope you guys enjoyed it. And we're kind of enjoying it too, because we're sort of trying to go to different parks and get out of the house while we can before the weather turns bad. So we're trying to find new parks to film these in. Today we're in Colonel Danforth Park here in Toronto.
Yeah, it's on the east end of Toronto, right? Okay. Well, if you find this video useful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification button so you know when a new video is posted.
Yeah. So we'll see you next week, guys. Have a great one.
Thank you very much, and we are very grateful to be part of your journey as well. Take care, and we'll see you in our next video.
You didn't do the thing.
Oh, bye. Let's start by dissecting dividend investing.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Sorry,
You
guys.
okay?
There was a bee.
did you get that?
Those might have been some Portuguese swear words.
Let's start by dissecting dividend investing.